Hello everyone. So today I'm going to give you a easy clue about the how to draw the Lewis structures and how to write so whatever they given compounds or any other minerals means any other molecules. Okay. So today we will discuss some rules about Lewis dot structures, how to write the we see any compounds. Okay. So first basically we have follow some 5 rules. Okay, 5 rules. So now we see how the 5 rules we are following now. So when we write the Lewis dot structures, whatever the given compounds, okay. So first we see 5 rules. Number one, first rule is that so count the valency electrons, whatever the given compounds, okay. So count the first rule says that so count the valency electrons, okay. So easy to remember that. So how to calculate the valency electrons when we see the means molecules, okay. What is the nitrogen N2 H means H2 and carbon dioxide, and whatever the molecules are, whatever the compounds they given. So first number one rule is that so first rule is valency electrons, to count the valency electrons. Next second rule is second rule says that so first when we count the valence electrons, then after we go to first it means between the atoms or two atoms or two elements. So when we definitely put one electron pairs or electron frame means two dot like structures, okay. So means dotted like structures to the atoms or elements, okay. So now third rule says that so draw the structure of or line between the atoms or elements, okay. Here like that, first for example HCl, so like this. So how to formation of the bonds between the two atoms or elements, okay. This is the third rule, means how to draw the Lewis dot structures. Means next fourth rule is that, and fourth rule says that so how to means how to first octet configuration, means how to get octet configuration, means so one each elements has to get octet configuration. So means each elements have to write means their valency electron configuration, means valency dotted light structures, okay. So like this. Here chlorine, so chlorine is it's related to 17th group elements or 7th group elements, means halogen compounds. So we have only 7 electrons, here 2, here 2, here 2, here 1, okay. These are dotted line structures. So we write when we get octet configurations, we have it is a means we have only 1 electrons to get octet configuration. So when we write another mole of Cl here, okay, so it will get also means octet configuration, okay. Two chlorine atoms combined to form, that is a Cl2, okay. This is fourth rule says that so each atom has to write electron means dotted line structures. This is a fourth rule. And fifth rule says that so finally whatever the we draw the means put the dotted structures to the atoms or elements. So we definitely they are combined to close form bond, whatever the chemical bonds, means ionic or metallic bonds and covalent bonds, like that, okay. This is the fifth rule, okay. Whatever the compounds with they given, this is a chlorine, this is a chlorine, or HCl in the place of Cl we put H, okay. So these are rules. So now they given some any compounds like water is a molecules or compounds, okay. So we find out first already says that నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఫస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ మీన్స్ వ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కౌంట్ చేయాలి ఈచ్ ఆటమ్స్కి. తర్వాత వాటికి డాటెడ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ మీన్స్ ఫ్రేమ్ పెట్టాలి, బిట్వీన్ రెండు ఆటమ్స్ మధ్యలో ఒక ఫ్రేమ్ పెట్టాలి, ఒక రెండు డాటెడ్ లైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ని పెట్టాలి. తర్వాత థర్డ్ రూల్కి ఏం చేయాలంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ డాటెడ్ లైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్కి ఒక్కొక్క ఆటమ్స్కి ఈచ్కి రాయాలి, తర్వాత లైన్స్ రాయాలి, మీన్స్ ఆక్టెట్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ పొందేదాకా మనం ఒక ఆటమ్స్కి ఇంకో ఆటమ్స్కి కలిపి తర్వాత ఫైనల్గా మనం బాండ్ ఫార్మేషన్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ లూయిస్ dot structures, okay. So now they were given and that is a H2O compounds, these are elements. So means this is a molecules, okay, one type of molecules, water. So here calculate the first valency electrons about these molecules. So here water means here H2 and one oxygen elements, electronegativity atoms, okay. This is an electronegative atom. So first count the valence electron, means here hydrogen valence electron is 1, so here 2 moles, so 1 into 2. And next oxygen valence electron is means so it is a atomic number is 8, so valence electron is 6. So here totally we have 6 valency electrons about the water molecules. Okay, so 1 into 2 means 1 into 6, okay. These are 6 valency electrons are present in the water molecules. Next we see the another one, nitrogen, N2. Okay, N2. So here nitrogen is atomic number is 5, so here how many moles are there? 2. So here 5 into 5, 5 2, so 10 electrons are present here. 10 valence electron present in the N2 atoms, N2 elements, or N2 compound or molecules. Okay, this is 10 valence electrons to calculate easily in this method. Okay, in the concept of Lewis dot structures. Next we see the carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. So carbon valence electrons is means it is a 6. Okay, total means atomic number is 6 and valence electron is totally 4. Okay, 4 into next oxygen atomic number is 8 but valence electron is, so here 6 into 2. Okay, 6 into 2, so is 6 to the 12 plus 4. Here 14 valence electrons are present in carbon dioxide. So this is a easy method to find out based on that Lewis data structures. So this is the concept of this. Okay, so now how to draw the structures, now we'll see. So these are the basic examples of for that rule, Lewis dot rule. So now we'll draw the structures of that. So first we draw the structures of any compounds or elements. So first we count the electron configuration. Okay, already we counted now. So now we see the dotted structures, or between the two atoms we putting one electron pairs. Okay, here now I take a first HCl example. So electronegative atom is chlorine and electropositive element is hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen valency electrons is 1. Okay, 1 minute, sorry. Hydrogen valence electron is 1, so we put 1 dot here. And chlorine electron configuration is belongs to 17th group elements or 7th group elements are halogen compounds, chlorine, so it is more electronegativity elements. So here we have 7 electrons, lone pairs, so here 6 and 7. So how the bond between means how the relationships is formed between the chlorine and hydrogens. సో వాళ్ళకి బంధం ఎలా ఏర్పడుతుందంటే ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. సో లూయిస్ డాట్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ వల్ల మనకు బాండ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో హియర్ క్లోరిన్ ఆటమ్స్కి 7 ఉంటుంది, హైడ్రోజన్కి 1. సో హియర్ రెండు మీన్స్ 2 electrons, one here, one radical here, one radical, to form a bond, combine to form a bond, that is a HCl bond, means between the hydrogen and chlorine bond, that is a HCl covalent bond. Okay, సో మ్యూచువల్ షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్, హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఒక బాండ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఎప్పుడైనా షేర్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల అనేది బెనిఫిట్ ఉంటుంది, సమ్టైమ్స్ అన్బెనిఫిట్ అనమాట. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ డ్రా ద స్ట్రక్చర్స్. సో ఫైనల్లీ హియర్ 5 rules are comes to here. So first we draw the first count the electron configuration of this 1 and 7, 1 into 7, 7. So HCl compounds contain 7 valency electrons. Okay, 7 valency electrons. Next here first we counted them, we put the dotted structures, then after we draw the some octet configuration, getting octet configuration when the bond is formation takes place between the hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, this is Lewis concept. So do you understanding about this process? I think so. This is today class sections. I think all of you are understanding about these Lewis dot structures to draw any compounds they were given. So this is an easy method to find out the any structures of the compounds. Okay, so this is the process of today class. So I hope all of you are enjoying with this video. So finally do subscribe my channel and for more updating videos. So finally thank you for giving this opportunity to explain about the Lewis dot structures. Thank you.